Hello traders, in this video we'll talk about jk-analytics.com. It is your premier destination for trading shares and forex with a financial edge. With over 30 years of experience, we offer a comprehensive platform designed to empower traders of all levels. Let's embark on a journey to explore the myriad opportunities awaiting you at JK Analytics. At JK Analytics, we believe in equipping our traders with the tools they need to succeed. With access to over 40,000 instruments across various asset classes, you can trade, hedge and invest seamlessly from a single account. Plus, our free analysis tools ensure you make informed decisions every step of the way. At JK Analytics, our dedication to excellence sets us apart in the trading world. We prioritize offering industry-leading prices, coupled with unparalleled service. With us, you'll relish swift execution sans commission fees, alongside encountering ultra-competitive spreads and commissions spanning all asset categories. What's more, as you engage in trading activities, your trading volume escalates, thereby granting you access to even more favorable rates. This means that the more you trade, the better the rates you'll enjoy, ensuring that your trading experience with us remains both lucrative and rewarding. Embark on your trading journey with assurance, exploring various avenues including forex, CFDs, stocks and commodities. Take advantage of incredibly low spreads such as 0.2 pips for FX and tight spreads for CFDs, enabling you to seize lucrative market opportunities. With a selection of over 9,000 instruments available and the ability to trade across 36 global exchanges, you'll have unparalleled access to diverse markets, ensuring your trading experience is both comprehensive and dynamic. JK Analytics' unwavering commitment to excellence has garnered widespread recognition. Our recent accolades include being named the best CFD broker at the esteemed TradeON Summit 2022, a testament to our dedication to providing superior services in the trading industry. Furthermore, we've consistently received praise for delivering exceptional trading experiences and execution, solidifying our reputation as a trusted leader in the field. Selecting JK Analytics grants traders across the globe entry to a platform that places utmost importance on reliability, innovation, and client satisfaction. Our commitment to these core values ensures that every interaction with our platform is characterized by trust, cutting-edge solutions, and a focus on meeting the unique needs of our clients. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just beginning your journey, JK Analytics is dedicated to empowering you with the tools and resources necessary for success. Join our community today and immerse yourself in a trading environment designed to elevate your experience and maximize your potential. Discover firsthand the impact of our award-winning services on your trading journey as you navigate the markets with confidence and precision. At JK Analytics, your success is our priority, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Ready to embark on your trading journey? Sign up now and gain access to our award-winning support, educational resources, and market analysis. With trading accounts tailored to suit every need from students to seasoned investors, there's something for everyone at JK Analytics. Have questions or need assistance? Our dedicated team is here to help. Contact us today for personalized support and guidance. Join the thousands of traders who have chosen JK Analytics as their trusted partner in financial success. Sign up now and trade with financial thinking. Your journey to prosperity starts here at JK Analytics. Happy trading.